Welcome to a PocketQS tutorial. This tutorial is on how to create sets. This video will cover how to create multiple sets, as well as how to delete points or measurements. Let's get started. Click on the Takeoff button. Then in the Category Navigator bar, select a category and subcategory. Then identify the points of your first set. See the list of points, and click Save. Now click on the New Set button. Then you can identify the additional points for this set. You will see all the new points identified will appear in a list in the Dimensions window. You can delete a point by clicking here, or delete an entire set by clicking here. After you delete, be sure to click Save. You can then switch between sets by clicking here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.